Order blocks, the institutional blueprint of price movement, advanced smart money concepts. Order blocks, OB, are one of the most powerful concepts in the smart money trading. Retail traders draw them as a simple zones, but institutions use them as execution engines. An order block is not just a candle. It is the area where banks and hedge funds place massive orders, creating the foundation for the next major moves. This chapter reveals the true institutional logic behind order blocks. What is an order block? Real definition. Most traders think order block equals to last opposition candle before a big move, but the real definition is deeper. Order block is the final area where institutions accumulate or distribute large positions before a displacement in price. It represents institutional buying or selling, liquidity absorption, smart money accumulation or distribution, the origin of displacement, the starting point of a new trend. Order blocks are the footprints of smart money. Why order blocks matter? Institutions cannot place billion-dollar trades anywhere they want. They need liquidity, stop loss cluster, fair pricing, volatility, imbalance zones. Order blocks provide exactly these conditions. Price react to order blocks because unfilled institutional orders remain inside them. Price returns to mitigation those orders. OB marks the beginning of a market. OB shows where smart money is active. This is why OBs act as high probability entry zones. Types of order blocks. There are three major types of institutional order blocks. Reversal order blocks, used when institutions reverse the market. Characteristics: liquidity sweep, major break in structure, strong displacement, price return to OB and reverses sharply. Reversal OBs give the best risk to reward setups. Continuation order blocks, used within a trend to maintain momentum. Characteristics: forms inside a strong trend, small accumulation candle, minimal liquidity sweep, strong continuation move. Useful for trend following traders. Mitigation order blocks, when a previous OB is revisited because unfilled orders still remain. Characteristics: price taps into old OB, fills pending institutional orders, resumes the trend. These OBs produce snippet entries. The order block formation process. Every strong order block formed through a predictable institutional sequence. Liquidity build up. Retail traders place stop loss above highs, stop loss below lows, breakout orders. This creates liquidity. Liquidity grab, sweep. Price spikes to take, buy stops above highs, sell stops below lows. This gives institutions liquidity to fill their position. Order block candle prints. The last opposite candle before displacement marks institutional absorption. Displacement move, a strong move away from the OB confirms institutional intent. Break the structure. The market officially shifts direction. Replacement into OB. Price returns to fill leftover orders. New trend begins. Price expands in direction of the displacement. How to identify a valid institutional order block? A professional order block must have strong displacement after its formation, a clean BOS, a liquidity sweep before the OB, presence of imbalance or FVG, OB located at discount for buyers or premium for sales, clear rejection when price returns. If any of these elements are missing, the OB is weak. How institutions use order blocks to enter positions. OB offers the best risk to reward and high liquidity, allowing institutions to enter quietly. To exit or mitigate positions. If price returns to an OB, institutions fill leftover orders. To manipulate price. Order blocks plus liquidity sweeps create perfect trap for retail. To mark fair value. Price often return to OBs because this is the fair value zone for institutions. Order block trading strategy, professional method. Here is the institutional framework for trading OBs. Step 1. Identify liquidity. Marks equal highs or lows, future targets. Step 2. Watch for liquidity sweep. Wick breaking the level equals to institutions hunting stops. Step 3. Find the last opposite candle. This becomes your order blocks. Look for displacement. Strong movement confirms smart money is active. Step 5. Wait for price to return. Patience is key. OB entries are the most precise. Step 6. Enter at the OB. Set stop loss below OB for buys, above OB for sells. Step 7. Target the next liquidity pool. Price always hunt liquidity. Mistakes traders make with order blocks. Taking every opposite candle as OB, trading OB without displacement, ignoring liquidity sweeps, using OBs like support or resistance, not understanding premium or discount zones, entering too early without confirmation, setting SL inside OB, not outside. Most traders lose because they don't follow institutional logic. Order blocks plus FVG plus liquidity equal to the holy trinity of SMC. The most accurate setups combine liquidity sweeps, order blocks, fair value gap. This gives snipper entries, tight stop loss, high accuracy, a high R ratio R, 1 ratio 5 to 1 ratio 20. This is the method used by professional smart money traders. Summary. Order blocks are the DNA of the market structure. Order blocks reveal where institutions enter, where smart money exits, where trends begin, where reversals happens, where price will return, where retailer get trapped. Once you master order blocks, you stop reacting, you start predicting, you trade like institutions, not like retailers.